Is he drinking out the dog bowl?
I do what? Oh yeah,
he's drinking out the bowl.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cute. Must be like a bird bath to them. Kind of nice. You come back over for your nut? No, you just want that, do you?
I think he's more interested in the food than my finger.
Yeah, is it nice? Popcorn day, isn't it?
Ouch!
Did he get your finger?
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Don't mind them having a little peck, but when they grab hold of you.
Yeah.
No, no biting. No, salty.
It's like trying to feed Remy.
Oh, he really likes fingers, doesn't he, Nan?
Rosie.
Hello, how's my bird? Oh, hello. Both up there now, are we? Don't worry. Go on, Fredy, get her.
Oh my god, tell where he is.
He's on your back.
Yes, there is.
Get her, Fredy. Get him, Fredy.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's it, Fredy. Go back for round 3. Yeah, get that finger.
Then this means that he's taking a liking to me then. He's crawling all over me.
I mean, he did that to me the day we met.
Was he on your back?
Yeah, went straight on my head.
Yeah, but was he on your back?
Well, no, because he got shoved in a box. But, you know, I'm sure given half a chance he would have been. He's going for round 3. Get her. Go, Fredy. Fulfill the prophecy. You got one good attack bird here now.
Oh, please don't eat my hair. I like my hair.
And so does Fredy. Hey, he's on your finger now.
I'd rather him on my finger than have him on my back. I was really scared because I didn't know where he was.
No, I didn't. No.
Where's he gone now?
He's up there.
Oh, really? Yeah.
He knows what you're scheming.
You're not putting me away today, Mum. That's what he says. Ooh. You got him.
No, he's still going a minute. Got some nice fruit and veg in there.
Bribing him, are you? He's gone straight back up there now. Poor Freddy's over there like, I don't want to deal with this. Sorry, Joey.
come the 4th of November, you can have me from 9 o'clock in the morning if you like.
What's that?
Because she should be in school. And then obviously I've got to sort him out. And then obviously if hospital appointments or anything, Sam get hospital anyway, but yeah. So yeah, come the 4th of November. Nobody messages me in the morning now because they know I'm not
See, Nan, he was doing this earlier. I couldn't tell if he was trying to play or not.
He doesn't like that much when he rides.
No, it doesn't. It's like a little love pack. I'm sure if he really wanted to, he could give me a right good cut.
Not as bad as the other one.
Other one? You mean Joey?
I picked him up once. Oh, did he bite me?
Well, Joey?
Yeah. Right
Really?
between you there.
Oh wow, did he draw blood?
No. Yeah.
Oh.
Right, children, are we ready to go? Oh, well, you can stay here and walk back. Then I'm happy to drive. I spoke with Sarah last night and she said, I should go back car. And she said, yeah, I spoke to Karen and got a car. And I said, do you realise? I said, you know, I got in the car, I was trying to start the car with brake. And she went, what do you mean? I said, well, John's has a brake to start, because he hasn't got the clutch. And I said, mine's clutch to start. I said, I didn't know which car was bloody driving. She went, yeah, but you revved it right out. I went, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I said, it was all right after. And she laughed her head off and understood. I said, the problem is, I said, John's is brake to start, so because I was getting in John's, starting the car, and it froze me, because obviously this pedal, this foot uses the clutch. So I was getting in John's for ages using that pedal for the brake. These ones,
they're very soft belly.
Those pedals. You don't, and of course, so I get to mine that yesterday for the first time, and I'm trying to brake it, and I was like, oh. But every time I was using John's and using the brake with that foot, I'd end up, I was like, oh, I'd get all confused. So it's just going back to my own car. That's all it is. And I said, no, I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. I could blow it up or nothing. I said, honestly, I couldn't remember how to bloody drive it. And then when I went to Dave and Amy's, so we've got to try and do 130 miles quite quick, innit? Not quick, but I'm pulling along and I'm thinking, shit, I've got a clutch. It's a nightmare.
So you went home to Long Green, did you?
She cooked a curry last night, nothing like. Just.
So what else had she got over there then?
Don't know, she's had an extension all on that. So she's got. I can't remember what Edgewood was like. So it's probably not far from that.
It was a shabby bungalow.
What,
Supposed to be, looked like it.
No, she hasn't got the back of that. Yeah, because we had the roof, didn't we? The sticky out roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't have none of that.
But the houses, the 3-bedroom houses were exactly the same
That's probably that then.
inside.
Yeah. But she's obviously got an extension, so I don't know what's new and what's old, and I've never been upstairs. Because her garage to the side is now her bedroom. And then the kitchen's been extended backwards as well. She's got a big skylight in it. So you've got Edgewood Close, and there's another one. And then Cloverdale Road, and she's opposite Cloverdale Road. Did buses used to go down there?
What?
Well, we used to get the bus. We used to walk up to where the dentist was by Green Primary. Was that the only bus there then?
I don't know. That's where we used to get it.
Because buses go down Shellards Road now.
Do they?
Yeah.
Might have been. I don't know, I can't
They
remember.
go down, yeah, they go down there. As soon as I spoke to Jason and he said something about driving one of the buses. And that's the bus routes he does. And he said,
But then we would have gone to Bristol or Bath.
well, he drives his bus through Hanham.
Glad to see he is getting his air back.
So he goes Hanham to the Amy's bus is in Cherry Gardens, and then like Banjo Island, I don't know.